Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the YESKAMO CCTV camera systems, wireless 1080p 4-channel and VR record. Machine was 2.0 megapixel outdoor home security cameras kit. Pre-installed 2 terabyte hard drive for remote view on smartphone app. Wireless security camera systems, that is nice, to make your home or your business for a safer place. It has a 1080p HD quality scene in stunning clarity and sharper detail with 2.0 megapixel, that means 1920 to 1080 solution cameras and watch live streamed or record videos. Infrared new generation LED array that allows you to see up to 30 meters in the darkness. Waterproof IP66 Metal Case for indoor and outdoor. Surveillance. Video surveillance system easy to set up all in one kit. Applies incredible auto-pair technology. Cameras, wireless receiver, Wi-Fi signal for NVR recorder. Only need to plug the power supply cables. You will have a live view of cameras on monitor instantly. No need complex cables and no complicated setup anymore. Plug and play, says. Home security system for remote access, easy live view and snapshot recording. Playback all your cameras on mobile app, IP Pro and computer software with Wi-Fi or 2G, 3G or 4G network anytime and anywhere. Simply to connect, only download an app and manual add device ID. CCTV camera kit for wireless connection, network video recorder itself has built-in a router that connects all cameras. Plug them into power, they start to stream the video feed. If you just need to view the video on the HD TV or a PC monitor locally, the system works recordably and playback even without any internet connection. But if you need views camera remotely, the system requires the internet, just using the included 1 meter Ethernet cable to connect the NVR to home router. The system will automatically go online. Yeah, that is nice and easy to install. YESKAMO CCTV system with hard drive use high quality chipsets and UK plus or plugs with BS1363 and CE certification. 4 pieces, 12-watt, 1 ampere adapters for cameras and 1 piece 12-watt, 2 ampere for NVR base. The resolution and Wi-Fi connector, which is so far the best and most complicate camera kit. Oh, that sounds great. The dimensions are from 34.5 to 27.5 and 18.5 centimeters, but this is on the product dimensions, not the camera dimension itself. 4.2 kilogram overall. And now, there it is. This 1080p wireless security camera system is your reliable security guard, which can be used resistance or business. The NVR features the advanced technologies including plug-and-play standard H.264 compression, intelligent recording, motion-activated alert, 2 USB ports, VGA and HDMI input, network access, remote view on phone, app or computer, etc. Convenient installation and easy remote control. This is what this set advanced security system provides to release your mind. True plug and play with auto-pair technology. Just power on the device, connect to a monitor and enjoy live video in minutes. Motion detection option allows you to record only when motion is detected, so that you can save hard drive storage space without missing important events. email and mobile app notifications. When you're not at home, you can give information if anything has happened. Pre-installed 2 terabyte hard drive records continuously for 430 hours on all 4 channels in 1080p or much longer. You can go to up to 50 days using motion detection or shadow recording. Convenient DIY installation and easy remote control keep you in the know and peace your mind no matter when and where you are. 1080p Wi-Fi IP camera. 1080 means 1920 to 1080 pixels. High definition in real time. New infrared LED array for bullet cameras with IR cut function for day and night monitoring. All cameras with 2 megapixel 3.6mm lens offer 90 degrees wide view angle. Outdoor metal case waterproof, it is IP66 certified. Night vision 100 feet, these are 30 meters. 4-channel 1080p Wi-Fi NVR. That means you can dock there a lot of things. 4-channel 1080p wireless network video recorder with built-in router. Support VGA for computer, HDMI for your monitor or your TV screen. Output up to 1080p with Wi-Fi model and 1 RJ45. Support ONVIF protocol and auto add-on view IP camera. Support manual time shadow and motion recording. Playback function. Support 1 SATA port up to 4 terabyte HDD to store footage. That means in this case it's only 2 terabyte HDD, but you can upgrade it to a 4 terabyte HDD. USB 2.0 port for operation of mouse control, backup and upgrade. The mouse is in the box. Instant motion detection, email alerts, app notification or buzzer. View camera footage from anywhere with smartphone, tablet or computer. And in the package, as you can see, there are one piece of 4CH 1080p network video recorder. That is the pre-installed 2-barrel surveillance hard drive inner. 4 piece of cameras, 1080p HD Wi-Fi IP cameras, 4 of them. But you can upgrade it up to 8. 1 piece of 12 volt, 2 ampere 10 feet power supply, that is for the NVR recorder, and 4 piece 12 volt, 1 ampere to 10 feet power supply for the cameras. 1 piece wired USB mouse, this is tiny USB mouse, really nice. 1 piece 7 dB E, 3 amp and 10 feet Wi-Fi extension antenna. This is for a bigger range. 1 piece 1 amp 3 feet Ethernet cable. This is for get connection with cable way. 1 piece 3 meters 10 feet power extension cable, and one time you have the user manual instruction inside. Truly plug and play, hassle-free wireless connection. NVR as a built-in router and the camera receive a wireless signal from NVR recorder, which never consume your home internet. The cameras will auto-pair with NVR and play HD live videos on monitor soon after you plug whole system to power socket. No other wire and any complex setting is needed. Plug whole system to power socket with supplied power plug and you are at the scene. Easy remote access on multiple platforms. Connect NVR to router with Ethernet cable to make the system on and download the free app IP Pro or EE Cloud on Google Play or App Store. Add the device cloud ID on phone app. Watch real-time video or playback record videos. If you want to remotely access the system on computer, please download the CMF software first. Yeah, indoor and outdoor day and night monitoring. IP66 waterproof cameras for indoor and outdoor surveillance. All of cameras come with durable metal body which can withstand several weather, wet, dry rain or sun, and so many others. Automatically switch day and night vision for all time safeguards. 6 pieces new generation LEDs will automatically switch on while light illumination is low to make sure suspension movement can be caught, even in the dark, to protect your home and business 24/7 all time. That's not enough. Advanced features, intelligent motion detection and repeater function for signal relay. The pre-installed 2 TB hard drive can support about 430 hours continuous recording on 4 cameras and will automatically override the old footage when space is full. Motion detection recording mode allows you to record only when motion is detected to save hard drive space without missing important events, and you can remotely rewind the video anywhere, anytime. Motion detection alert is there too. An instant alert will be sent when an unexpected movement in detection. Detection error can be customized to minimize the false alarms which make you in the know around your home or business. 3 types for motion detection alert: buzzer, NVR-based will beep or beep, email alert, an email will be sent, phone app notification, you will get a notification on your phone. Expand wireless signals. The wireless signal cover distance is about 200 feet in open place, but normally there are walls or obstacles between the cameras and NVR, which will badly weaken the wireless signal, but this is normal. Every wireless LAN has this problem. Fortunately, the cameras can forward signals between cameras and NVR unit like a signal reply if you set up the repeater function, or you can use the black Wi-Fi booster antenna to expand the signal. So that means in one box you can make so different and awesome things. YESKAMO CCTV camera system, wireless. Only plug in and then you will be safer than before. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback. I'll see you next time again. Soon.